Telangana, for those of you who are possibly new to Hyderabad or first-time visitors to India, let me tell you, Hyderabad is an IT super hub in India and across the world as well. I just mentioned Amazon to you, that they have their largest campus in the world in Hyderabad. And if you look at the slide, you would also see Google, you'd see Microsoft, you'd see Meta, you would see Qualcomm, you would see Uber, Salesforce, all of these companies without an exception, and Apple. Most of you use iPhones, I presume. All of these companies have their second largest campus in the world in Hyderabad, outside of their headquarters in the world in Hyderabad. And Capgemini, as Paul just pointed out, also has a significant base. We are now the second largest base in India for Capgemini. Schneider Electric, in fact, we just broke ground this morning. Their largest factory in India, out of the 32 factories they have, will also be located in Hyderabad. And Hyderabad is also a powerhouse in life sciences. And what am I saying? 9 billion doses of vaccines are produced, human vaccines, are produced from Hyderabad every single year. This accounts to 1/3 of global vaccine production. So literally, the next time a kid in France is getting a vaccine shot, there's 1 in 3 chance that it could have been made in Hyderabad. So that's the kind of strength I'm talking about. We have Sanofi, of course, who manufactures vaccines also from Hyderabad. We have some world-class companies like Novartis, GSK, Syngene, Dr. Reddy's, and Biological E. And while we are on this slide, let me also point out that Novartis, their second largest campus again in the world, is also in Hyderabad, outside of Basel in Switzerland. The second largest campus of Novartis with more than 9,000 people is also in Hyderabad. And let me also add quickly, Novartis is not into pure play research and development. What they do in Hyderabad is digital drug discovery. What they do in Hyderabad is basically the intersection of technology and biology. That's where we have number of biostatisticians, number of bioinformatics people. We also have number of biomedical engineers and IT professionals working from Hyderabad, making it their second largest base in the world.